If you've been playing games on your phone and you're not getting paid for it, gather here quickly because I'm about to shock you. I've just recently discovered this simple car racing game that pays you in dollars just for playing it. And I know some of you already gathering the energy that you used to type fake app in the comment section. Not this one. That is why I took my time to test it myself. I played it for a while and even made my first withdrawal before bringing it to you guys. And you know how I roll. If it's not legit, I'm not posting it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how the Magic Car game app works, how to play it, how to earn from it, and most importantly, how to withdraw your money. Just make sure you don't skip any part of this video because you'll only be cheating yourself. Alright, so to get started, you download the app and register using the link I'll be leaving in the comment section and description of this video below. Everybody watching this video right now must use that particular link to register, so it takes you to the right app and so that you can also get your new user sign up bonus of $1. And I know you're getting ready to ask me, do I need a VPN to access this app? No, you do not need a VPN. Just download the app using the link directly. Okay, so after downloading the app, you click on it and then sign in. Let's wait for it to load. Alright, so if you're just signing in for the first time, you're going to see a balance of 1,500 naira at the top left corner of your screen. Okay, as you can see on my left side, you can see 12,000 naira, and at the right side, you can see 775,000 naira. Don't worry, I'm going to explain all about that to you, but make sure you use the referral link so you can get your first 1,500 naira or $1, depending on the country that you are in. That's why you can see this card by the left side here, meaning I used an invite link to register. So now, I'm going to show you how to play this game, but before I show you how to play this game, let me quickly walk you through the interfaces, okay? Showing you where your money is and the tasks that you're expected to do in order for you to earn, because there's so many fun things you are expected to do here. In fact, there are various areas on this particular gaming app where you can earn. You can earn doing so many things, okay? So now let me start with this place that says grand prize. Look below at the bottom left corner of your screen, you see grand prize there. At the middle, you see mission, and at the third interface, you see invite. So this grand prize is also part of your tax. Let's click on it. Alright, so as you can see, I've been playing this game just like I told you, and I'm now at level 51. I've been able to finish some of the tasks given to me here. Alright, the money that you receive here, this first one for example says past 60 levels cumulatively, okay, you're going to be given 2,300 naira, because I told you that there are different type of money here on this app, but I will explain it to you. So this 2,300 naira cash is the real money and is going to your first wallet. These are the tasks you're expected to do. If you're able to finish all this here, you will see a question mark on it, meaning you have to come here. That is trying to get your attention that there is one particular task out of all the tasks here that you are finished. So come and click on receive. I hope that is clear. Now let's go back. The second one says mission. This mission is your daily task. You are expected to complete all these tasks here to get rewards as well. Okay, so if you want to complete, you just click on the green button and it will redirect it to where you are supposed to complete the task. All right, so look at now, it says online time. I've been able to finish this one. So anytime you are done, when you've been able to complete either of the tasks available to you, you will see a question exclamation mark rather on either of these interfaces, prompting you to come and click on it to receive your reward. So see, now I'm done with the first one and I've clicked on receive, and that's just it. So make sure you complete your daily tasks because it adds to your withdrawal. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. You are getting cash from here under daily tax. You're also getting cash from the grand prize. All right, so now let's go back. The third one is invite. If you want to invite your friends, you can earn money from inviting your friends too. Okay, and in fact the invitation rewards, even though you accumulate 0.10 cents, you can withdraw it. All right, so invite your friends. Just come here, invite, copy your invite link, copy, send to them on WhatsApp, Facebook. In fact, I would advise you to invite if you can. If you cannot, please just leave it, because this app does not require you to invite before you earn. Note that. Now let's go back. Now that I've explained the three interfaces below, let's go to the money section at the top of your screen. Okay, so the first one you are seeing that says 12,000 naira. Let's click on it. This is where all those money that you have achieved from the grand prize interface is coming to. This is real cash. All right, let me go back. The second one here at the top right, 777,000 naira, is also real cash, but it's coins. So if you are seeing 713,000 naira, it's not that you have 713,000 naira, you have 713,000 coins in your wallet, and 1,000 coins is equals to 10 naira. Do you understand? This money now that you are seeing in my wallet, I can withdraw it. And like I said before, I've withdrawn um $1.19 just yesterday to try this app, and I received it instantly. Okay, so I can withdraw this one. And mind you, this is where your referral bonus is also coming to. So any coins you get from referrals is coming here, and you can withdraw it ASAP. So let's go back. So both of this cash you can withdraw. In fact, there is even number three money. Look at this place here that you are seeing, this 714,000 naira that you see exclamation mark on top it. This is also money. Number of orders. If you're able to accumulate a total of 200 orders after playing and playing and playing, you can come and click on settlement here, and they will give you this cash, which is also withdrawable. And mind you, you see that there was an exclamation mark on top the interface. This means it needs your attention. I always come here, since I've been playing the game, I come here to come and click on this long term shortage, because it has already passed 18 now. They just need 18. Is that clamps or whatever that is there? So click on I understand. It's still showing 66 over 18. I'll click on it again. I understand. It's still showing 48 out of 18. That means it has exceeded the 18 that they require. Just clicking on it to collect your money. It's entering your wallet. Okay, now you are seeing it is 12 out of 18. So you get this particular icon here that allows you to come and receive money here. So that's by the way. I think I've been able to explain the three section of money on this platform. Every other thing that you are seeing here, this is skin. If you want to change the skin of, come here and then you change the color of your vehicle. Me, I don't even waste time on that. I'm here to play game and collect my money. So, and this place here, okay, this one's not that important. Now this particular area, you see this place there that shows 20 out of 20. This is your energy. Yes, this is your energy. Once you start playing this game now, it will reduce. So if you're out of energy, you see a timer underneath that says, okay, come after 5 minutes, you see that you have complete energy. And that's like that, like that. So I think those are the basic things you need to know about this car racing game before you start playing. Another thing is that once you start as a newbie, there will be a tutorial that you have to follow, a tutorial that shows you how to even play the game already. Yes, there will be a tutorial. I'm already in level 51, as you can see here. So I've gone through that. I've passed through the tutorial. It shows me how to turn to the right, how to turn to the left, how to press brake, and things like that, like that. Please, while driving, make sure you don't jam any what's it called, obstacles there, because you are going to waste your energy if you do that. Now let me just play the game and show you. It's a very very simple game, and if you know you want to make money, now here you go dey. You know wetin I mean now. You go dey play, dey play, dey play, dey play, and you will surely get your money. See, now yesterday I was able to withdraw $1. If you are more consistent than I am, you'll be able to withdraw more. And like I said, there are two types of money. You have one here, you can withdraw. There are three actually, but the ones that are visible now, you can withdraw here, you can also withdraw this one, and the minimum withdrawal for this particular first money section or money wallet is 9.8. So if I've gotten 9.8, which I'm almost getting close to save, I'll be able to withdraw and they will pay me. Don't worry, if you want me to do another withdrawal video, let me know in the comment section below. At this point, do you have any question? If you do, please, nobody should come to my DM, I beg you. Drop them in the comment section here. You know how I roll on YouTube. I prefer you asking me your questions in the comment section, because if battalions of you come to my DM, you're going to remain there. I know you can hear notification sounds now from my other devices as I'm playing, and these are messages that I'm getting from you guys. So how do I want to respond to everybody on my WhatsApp? Sometimes I don't even see it. So please, all I'm just trying to say is that please chat me here on YouTube, the comment section. Fill it, I will answer you. If you have 50 questions, drop them here, I will answer you here. All right, so now let's get started with playing. If you want to play, you're going to click on what? Start game. And as you can see, it's going to take one energy out of your energy. All right, I've clicked on start game. Okay, move to the left. Don't let it read anything. That was a close call actually. To the right, don't make it get too close to the wall like you see that my own is getting. That's just it. I'm done. Click on confirm. I told you it's a very simple game. Aha, now my car is out of gas. I want you guys to do something. Your car is out of gas, right? And it's telling you that you should spend 310 naira or watch an ad to be able to get free gas, and they will still give you 115 naira. Me, I recommend you to do this one oh. Go for this one at all times, because if you're going to spend money, you are going to deduct from your cash your 12,000 plus, and it's reducing your money. So be wise. Spend click on free gas, so you will just watch maybe a 5 seconds video or a 1 minute video, and then they will credit you. So let me do that now behind camera.
You're done watching the ad, just click on the X sign to cancel.
And then you see they've granted you the reward. All right, so I know the money has been added, and then we've been able to fill gas. Now look at now. Like I said, you see exclamation mark whenever each interface needs your attention. So now this one needs my attention, right? I'll click on it. It's for your own good to watch this video. Some of you are already skipping. All right, so click on long term shortage. That's what it was calling you for, and then your coins money has increased, as you can see. So now you can see my money has increased to 0.44 here as well. All right, so let's play the game one more time. I believe you don't need too much tutorial on how to play the game, since it's a very simple game. Mind you, there's sometimes that you need to press brake if you see any car coming through. That's why I said that tutorial that they will show you, make sure you watch it. Oh, I didn't get close to it. I hope you understand. Let's play for the last time. Always check those interfaces, because sometimes they might need your attention. Please don't hit any of this wall oh. Don't hit any of the wall, so you don't lose your energy. And then always be cautious. Sometimes vehicles might come. All right, that's by the way, that's basically how to play the game. As you can see, it's very easy and simple. My energy is already reducing, and there's a timer there counting towards a renew a refill rather. So I'm going to show you how to withdraw now, because I withdrew live, and I'm going to show you how to withdraw and then show you the money where I received it on my PayPal account.
Okay, so I'll be withdrawing from the second cash wallet, and I've been able to accumulate a total of $1.19. So the first step now is to add your withdrawal method. As you can see, the only withdrawal method available is through PayPal. So I'm going to first of all link my PayPal account, and as you can see here, they're requesting for my email and my name. So my PayPal account email is what I'm typing in right now. Okay, and then as for the name, they are not asking you for your real name. If it's your real name you used on your PayPal account, that's what you're going to write here. So it's the name on this PayPal account that they are asking you for. So if your PayPal account has for example Robert Jane, and then your real name is Jeanette something else or Stone, and then you're writing Jeanette Stone here, please, that will be a mistake. Write the name that is the username for the PayPal account that you are giving to them, so they can pay into the correct PayPal account. Alright, so after filling my details in, I'm just going to click on confirm. Alright, so my PayPal account has been added successfully, and it's time for me to withdraw. So I'll just click on withdraw all, and after clicking on withdraw all, I'll click on confirm, and then also click on happy to accept. Once you're done with that, that's just basically it. You wait for your cash to enter your PayPal account. At first it's going to be pending, and then later on it's going to be successful, because for now they are paying instantly. I don't know about later, but there could be a delay in payment. That's why I'm telling you to rush the updates now. I withdrew, I think, sometime in the evening, and then overnight, that's midnight, I got this email to my PayPal account. Got this email that I've received my payment from Magica. So you can see the date, 13th of November, and today's date is 14th of November. I made the withdrawal yesterday, and it came overnight. Don't bother about the time, because my time zone was not reading Nigerian's time zone. That's why many of you might get confused. 12 a.m. 13th of November, how? No, it was actually this morning, 14th of November, that I received this payment, but my time zone was reading otherwise. I just wanted to be clear on that. So guys, that's basically it. If you've been able to watch this video from the beginning to the end, if I were you, I'll rush and start this update, because they could change their mind, and then payments might no longer become instant. So if you know you want to benefit from this app early, or earlier enough, since it was just recently launched, you should start now. The link will be in the description below, and if you have questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be attending to every one of you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section. And as always, I'll see you in the next lit
video. Bye for now.